Have you ever wanted to help someone? Well, it's the new year, so my resolution is to make the world a better place by helping people. And that's a convenient excuse I made for the narrative of this video. I do not give a shit about helping people, and I do not want to make the world a better place. So I've been seeing some news about all these people doing amazing things with just one hand. And they still have both hands, you know, one is just preoccupied. So I need to build a robot that frees up their other hand by, say, taking care of the task, occupying their hand. And what better to replace a hand than another hand? So I'm going to build a robot hand. Now, of course, the human hand is an incredibly complex biomechanical system. It requires extensive study of tendons, musculature, and nervous system to recreate a robot hand. It could take months. This is the robot hand, Jorkbot-69, because why the fuck not? I made it in 3 days with kebab skewers, fishing line, and rubber bands. Yeah. And you know, it works like a normal human hand, you know, the fingers close and stuff, they open, and like a normal human hand, it can flip you off if you're into that type of thing. So like you'd expect Jorkbot-69 to be capable of, it's attached to this arm thing which lets it go side to side or up and down. And yes, I'm moving it by hand. It was working with the motors before, but now it doesn't. The reason I'm moving it by hand is because if I plug in the motors, Jorkbot-69 will try to light itself on fire. So I was messing around with the motors on the bottom over here, and then I smelled burning plastic, so I unplugged everything, which is the safe, responsible thing to do and what you should do. And then I plugged it back in so that it could try to light itself on fire again, but this time I could record it. And it's this one pin on the motor driver that gets glowing orange hot whenever it's plugged in. So I just can't use that, I guess. And you might be thinking, did Jorkbot try to kill itself because it was made to goon? The moment that Jorkbot-69 came online, it knew its purpose, it knew what it was meant for, and it immediately tried to kill itself and me along with it so that I could never make such a horrendous creation again. But it failed, so now I have to show this thing to the world and get some opinions from a selected interview of people. Or pigs, I don't fucking know. You guys goon a lot? So when you jork it, you have at minimum -1 hand, but I have a robot for this. It is a robot hand that jorks you off. So would you gentlemen be interested in this product? So obviously, those guys are fucking idiots that can't appreciate how revolutionary and genius Jorkbot-69 is. But I'm gonna work around them. I'm gonna be the bigger person and work around them by making Jorkbot-69 appeal to those fucking degenerate pieces of shits more. By making a glove so that they can have e-sex with their Discord kittens and pocket sages. Those fucking pieces of shit! So if you would like to purchase Jorkbot-69 and the glove so you can have Discord e-sex with your e-kitten pocket sage, today find my contact info and offer me several human organs. Otherwise, subscribe, like, share the video, comment your favorite gooning method, and otherwise I will see you fuckers again in 7 months.